South 4th Street in Brooklyn.
Yeah, so this is the deal I'm most excited about this week. We actually did a slight price adjustment just to measure the caution in the marketplace as far as cap rates. But this is what I like to call hybrid building: 60% free market, 40% rent stabilized, 31 units in Williamsburg, 2 blocks from 2 different train lines. Average rent on the rent stabilized portions $1,400, if I'm correct. So you have steady Eddie increases there. And then what's most interesting is it's priced at 9 million, which is basically a 5 cap on the in-place income. But this is very much, and what I think is the opportunity right now, a COVID bruised rent roll that just still hasn't naturally turned over yet. So if you want to scroll down just a tad bit more, these projections on the pro forma column, and buyers, this is where you can really make a lot of money, and your investors should really be telling you to focus your time is on studying these pro formas. We're not, putting out anything hocus pocus here. We're talking about $3,300 for 2-bedroom apartments, $3,800 for 3-bedroom apartments in Williamsburg. If you capture that over the summer roll, you can see the lease expiration dates at full asking price. This is a 6.3% cap rate in Williamsburg with still 40% regulated units.
Yeah,
So
that's
these
pretty
are the
good.
no-brainer types of high-level economic, sound footing deals that everybody has been wanting for the last 5 or 6 years. The opportunity is simply studying the pro forma income and not dismissing it as unachievable. Because if I actually rolled back the tape the last 12 months, our pro formas have been light almost universally across the board. So this is an opportunity. The mechanical structure, all of the non-interior apartment elements of this building have been rehabbed. It's in Williamsburg. You're not going to be able to find a 6.3 cap on cost with upside and regulated units, if not for the current situation. So give me a call, 718-475-4369 if you want to come tour this. Think it's a fantastic deal and it's going to get snapped up.
All right, sounds good. We'll be